guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the water-cooled alternator from a BMW engine. This is the 4.4 M62TU engine. In order to do this, you're going to need a 17mm socket for the plastic nut here that holds this is a starter cable. So you first remove this. It's a normal thread, so go anti-clockwise, just loosen it. It's not hard to remove, as I said, it's plastic, so take that off. So obviously for insulation it's plastic on the outside, but it's actually metal insert inside. And pull your alternator cable out. It will take a little bit of a wiggle, but it will come off. Okay, that's that, as you can see. And just put your nut back in place, and then you're gonna have some 10mm bolts. I have a small 1/4" ratchet with a 10mm long socket. So again, go anti-clockwise, normal threads, loosen that. Yeah, it's not hard to access whenever you've removed so many parts. I'm doing a general engine overhaul and just cleaning up a lot of components in the engine bay, and I just want to give it a good clean, polish all the aluminium parts, and just have it nice looking when you open the bonnet. You can actually enjoy looking at your engine rather than seeing all the oil everywhere. As you know, it's a BMW engine, so it's well known for leaking oil from every seal and gasket. So I've checked on the bottom, there's nothing there. What you need to do is get yourself a piece of wood, just put it here so you can pry on it, and just gently move it forward. It has loosened up a little bit. That was off camera. Now be careful, this is a very heavy part, and just take your time when removing it. Yeah, that's alternator out. This is what this big boy looks like. It's very heavy. I might have to buy a new seal for this, and I think somebody has been there before because it's covered in silicone. Whether this is original from the factory or somebody has just replaced this, refurbished it. The bearings are good. There's no funny play, so I don't think I'll be replacing the alternator or the bearings. I have them. I have purchased them in case they were bad, but in my opinion there's absolutely no need for this. I'm gonna refurbish the pulley though, as it's badly rusted. That'll be maybe in another episode, but yeah, I'm planning to clean this up nicely so it looks well. Okay, that's that for this video, and I'll see you shortly.